Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by going straight to Settings and opening Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where timers live. Once there, make sure you have Device Owner or Parent Privileges, because without them you cannot change timers. You need App Timers and Focus Mode visible in the dashboard. If you don't see them, tap the three-dot menu or search for Digital Wellbeing. Once visible, tap the dashboard to begin removing app limits. This step unlocks the specific controls you will change next. You now remove limits for each app in the dashboard. Tap an app with a timer, then choose None or Remove Timer and confirm. Do this for every app listed. Once done, navigate back and turn off Focus Mode and Bedtime Mode schedules so they stop reapplying restrictions. Make sure App Usage Access and Notification Access remain enabled so the system registers changes. After adjusting all items, review the main Digital Wellbeing screen to confirm timers. Show as removed. You finish by rebooting the device and quickly checking the dashboard to verify timers are gone. A reboot ensures system services reload with your new settings. If any timer reappears, clear the Digital Wellbeing app data in Settings right arrow, Apps right arrow, Digital Wellbeing right arrow, Storage, then reapply the removal steps. If changes are still blocked, check Google Family Link or Enterprise Device Admin. These tools can enforce limits. If necessary, remove the supervising account or contact the admin. As a last resort, backup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.